Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix EA Sports FC 25 game, any kind of connection problem or the server down problem or the multiplayer connectivity issues. Guys, first open up the any browser and just search for the EA Sports server status and you will see this website. So simply open up this website and now you are able to see the server status. Now just check your location server status. If it is in maintenance, then just wait for it to come it back to the normal, and if this is ticked then it means it's the normal, and if server is not the problem then maybe it's problem with your connection. So let's see how we can fix it. Now just close it, and the solution that you need to apply is go to the window search and just type here the ncpa.cpl, and this control panel setting appear on the top, so simply open it. And guys, once you open it, now here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So make a right click on your connection and simply click on the properties. Now here just scroll down, you will see the internet protocol version 6. Just uncheck this, then highlight the internet protocol version 4, then go to its properties, then click on the use the following DNS, and in the preferred DNS just type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK, then just click on the close, then just launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If your connection problem is not fixed, the next solution you need to apply is go to the Windows set, type here the CMD, and you will see the run as administrator. Simply click on it. Now here just type the command which is ipconfig and space / then flush DNS. Once you type it, just hit the enter, and this command can flush the DNS resolver cache. So once this command is finished, now type the netsh and space and winsock and space reset. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter, then you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. And once you restarted your PC, simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now sometimes this fixes the problem, but if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows setup with the proxy settings and open it. Now here just scroll down and you'll see the manual proxy setup. So you just need to make sure that this is off. So just turn it off, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. So I hope one of the solution fixed your problem, and if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye.